Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It is your boy HB3 in the building. Today I'm coming to y'all with this video. I'm going to be talking to y'all about motivation. Pure motivation, man. What it can do for you as a waver, what it did and does for me as a waver. Stay tuned. Okay, so I know y'all kind of see the little switch up or whatever. Right now I'm in my photography studio. Of course, it's out of my garage, but I have my garage set up just like a studio when I'm taking pictures, things like that. Here's just a couple of shots of what I'd be doing on a daily or what I'd be doing on the weekends and whatnot. But that's one of my other passions besides being a waver and things like that I like to do on the side. I really have fun with it. I've been doing it for a while. That's another story. If you haven't already, make sure you go to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Got a lot of old videos that are very beneficial to your overall growth. And I got videos, of course, that's gonna help you get to where you definitely need to be as a waver. It's simple as that, man. But let's get into what this video is about, just pure motivation. Let's talk about it. So here's the thing. I've probably been waving about 20 years. I'm gonna say about 20 plus years I've been a waver. And a lot of people are confused about many things when it comes to waving. Let's just be honest. I mean, it's a lot, you know, you're confused about what products to use. You're confused about, you know, what type of hair you may have, what's good for your hair, what to put in it, what not to put in it, you know, things like that. How do you keep the maintenance up? All of these questions go into you being, you know, a great waver or just, you know, having some dope waves. In the midst of that, what actually happens is you can kind of lose focus and lose motivation based on you going through the whole trial and tribulations, so to speak. You know, you're going through the whole process of becoming a waver, you know, someone who loves the art and the ideal of making their hair move and do the things that you want it to do and just look nice for, you know, as far as grooming, it just looks extremely nice. In the midst of that, you kind of get confused on what's going on. You take all these tips from one person, then you take tips from over here from another person, and it just does not go the way that you expected that it was gonna go. And you're frustrated, you're upset, you don't want to do it anymore, so you just lose the passion, and you just lose motivation. That's basically what this video is about, is how do you keep that? You know, how do you keep that situation and those things from happening where you just lose focus, you lose interest, and you just don't want to do it anymore? So I'm going to talk about myself first and what I did to really help me with this. And this is going to be, like I said, it's just a quick video, just a couple of tips to help you get over that hump. So the first thing that I did as a waver to keep my motivation, take a lot of pictures. I took a lot of pictures. I still have a lot of pictures from just old patterns that I've had before, things that I've done with my hair before, stuff like that. If you take a lot of pictures, you can actually see your progress from week 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on. That really can help your motivation because you can see that you broke a fork. You can see that your hair is starting to wave up really good. It's going from ripples to like pure waves and things like that. So I would say one of the biggest things that I did that helped me with keeping me motivated when it came to my hair and my waves was always taking pictures and watching that progress through each picture that I would take. And let me tell you what that looks like. So let's say you start a pattern and then you're starting to see the ripples come in. You take a picture, maybe all 4 sides of your head, you know, just to see your progress. Don't take another picture maybe until like 2 or 3 weeks later. It's the same thing when we're working out. You know, if you're working out and you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to pack on muscle and things like that, you don't really want to take pictures frequently because you're not really going to see that progress like you really can see it if you put the huge gap between. It's the same thing with getting waves. You know, you can actually go and just completely 2, 3, 4 weeks of taking a picture and then boom, you see the progress and you're like, wow, that's amazing. Now hear me out before y'all get on to me about number 2. The second thing that I did as a waver to stay motivated, y'all may not agree with this, but trust me, it helped me dramatically, and you're gonna be shocked how the human brain works. Does this make me come off a little, is this gonna make me come off a little materialistic? It is, but bear with me. Buying products. Oh yeah, buying products, left and right, just buying products. I'm sorry. Hear me out, let me explain. So there's nothing like brushing your hair with the same brush over and over and over and over. Using these products that give you this shine, it gives you this luster, it gives you all of the nutrients and things that you need for your hair to just look immaculate and amazing. But what did it for me, another thing that did it for me was that buying another brush and filling those fresh bristles just, for me personally, was amazing. I'm sorry. And to the people watching this video who are not waivers, you're not gonna understand, so I'm not even worried about you. As a matter of fact, for you, this is probably clickbait. You probably need to turn this video off. You probably need to go to another video talking about Australia or something like that, because I'm talking to the waivers. I'm talking to the people who have made this a lifestyle for them. You know what I'm saying? People who have taken, who take this extremely serious. But for the ones that say, oh, well, it's just hair, it's just hair, fall back. Just fall back. Fall all the way back. Like, step off, F off, whatever. You just need to go. Get away from this video, man, because I'm talking to my people who take this serious, man, as a lifestyle. Basically, for me, getting new products always made me feel really, really good. Taking that fresh brush out the box from Brush King, and shout out to Brush King, by the way, or getting that fresh, nice product that one of the BOBs, black-owned businesses, made, so that I can, put it in my hair, and then I'm brushing and blah, 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 things like that. Even a fresh, brand new do-rag, crispy out the pack, things like that. For me, that motivated me even more. And I'm gonna be real with you. Go to any other waiver that has a YouTube, even my YouTube, go with some of my old videos. Go to some of my old videos, go to somebody else's that's a waiver, go to their old videos on YouTube. Notice how much emphasis we put on, this is the best brush, this is the best brush, this is the best do-rag, this is the best product, this is this, this is this. We get real animated, we get excited, we just are astonished how great this item is. But generally we calm down once we've had it for a while, and it becomes probably a part of everything else that we use and things like that. It is what it is. But that is a prime example of what happens when you get something brand spanking freaking new. When it's new, I'm telling you, all you want to do is pick it up and use it. It's just like having a new toy, a new video game. You know what I'm saying? Anything new, man, you're going to use it like crazy in the beginning because you never had it before. So I'm telling you, that's the second thing that helped me keep me motivated, because I stayed getting like a fresh crispy brush, a fresh crispy do-rags. I got do-rags and brushes all over the place. My girl, she at this point accepts it. Nice product. I got BOB products, you know what I'm saying, everywhere. And like I said, it's just one of those things that helps me continue wanting to brush, continue wanting to get better, and things like that. And I guess the third thing for me that helps me stay motivated is the community. The community has always helped me stay motivated. As much as it may be, social media, let's be real, social media sometimes can be extremely negative. I mean, that's just how social media is. You can't get away from it. It doesn't matter what type of culture or what type of platform you're on. When it comes to social media, you're going to see some negative things happen. It's just human nature. I mean, what I would say to that is just be okay with it, accept it for what it really is, and just look past it. But there are positive things that go on in like the wave community and stuff like that. And again, speaking to my non-waivers, people who are just coming to this channel to look at my face or to see who I am, or it popped up as a recommendation or whatnot, to people who like my friends, stuff like that, who are not waivers, disregard this. Yes, disregard this because you're not a part of it. Don't worry about it. So the people, they know who I'm talking to. There is a community of waivers. There's a community, huge community. There's this whole like movement when it comes to like the culture, hair, things like that. And I've been so blessed to be a part of it for so long. And like I said, the community really, really keeps me motivated. I see a lot of waivers that are doing things in 2020 that I have never seen done before when it comes to that culture. And honestly, I like to say it all the time. It keeps me motivated. It keeps me brushing, honestly. If I'm having issues with my hair, but I see the other person over here that's really motivated and pushing themselves, and they're getting to the next level, I'm saying to myself, well, man, if they can do it, I know I can do it, so I'm just gonna keep going. That's kind of how I think. Not everyone thinks that way, but you can like feed off the community. You know, whether it's someone telling you you can't do it and you're just like, oh, nah, I gotta prove them wrong. Or that person that's in your corner that's just cheering you on, saying, go, 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 go. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a big thing in that wave culture. So for me, that's another thing that keeps me motivated, excuse me. Other than that, man, I guess I could just take my my do-rag off so y'all can see what's going on. It's been a minute, but I don't know if y'all can see that. But the hair, just been brushing. I know I need a line up and everything like that, but it is what it is. I ain't worried about it right now, especially with this COVID situation. Your boy still brushing, even though I'm taking mad pictures left and right on the weekends and stuff like that. I'm taking pictures. I'm still brushing. I'm staying motivated. All right, man. So that's pretty much it. Those are the 3 things that help keep me motivated. That's going to help you stay motivated. Of course, 1, take a lot of pictures. When you're taking pictures, make sure you have that gap between when you're doing it so you can see the actual progress that you're making with your waves. The second thing, of course, is buying new products. Of course, getting something new all the time is definitely going to motivate you, because you're going to use it a lot and excessively in the beginning because it's brand new. And the third thing, of course, is going to be the wave community. Whatever platform that is, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, maybe a blog or something like that, it doesn't really matter. You know, as long as you're using the wave community to motivate you, that's going to be very important. That's it. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, do whatever on the video. It's your boy HB. 3. I'm out of here.